Hi guys, I'm Faye, and this is how I keep myself accountable planning for a trip to Japan. We are on day 66, and we have the same amount of fundage as we did yesterday. Our word for today is actually akihabara, mostly because I didn't know until today what akihabara means. So, akihabara is based on the term akiha, which is a god of the region, which was meant to be the god of fire prevention. Well, it was a misnomer that it was thought to be the fire prevention god. And Akihabara is the field of the fire prevention god. So, yeah. I don't have my Fitbit on me, but last I checked, we were at 9,500, so not terrible. Other exercises, we have a couple of places, a couple of food related things. I have spent today going through that tour we looked at yesterday and realized that it is not nearly as good as it looks. Mostly because it doesn't include food. And I'll be honest, that's where most of my money's going to go when we're in Japan. I don't expect to come back a light man at all. But I also expect to be walking like 20,000 steps a day because that's what I do when I do long distance holidays. That's what I would have done on the cruise, but there's only so many times I can walk around a cruise ship without people thinking I'm insane. And that's not the only reason they think I'm insane, but hey, uh, I don't want to add to it. So, our locations that we're going to be looking at today, I also have one little extra thing that I'm throwing in there anyway. So the first thing is Hokone's sightseeing cruise, which is dope enough. And then you see that it's on a fucking pirate ship. So this is one of the cruises where it goes into the middle of the lake and you can see Mount Fuji from the beautiful views, but it's on a fucking pirate ship. I feel like I don't have to explain why that's so dope. Like, is it slightly. Actually, this might not even be a Western design. It looks like a Western design pirate ship to me, but I could just be uh, ill informed. Be it that, be so fucking dope. But that's neither here nor there. Pirate cruise on the list. Weird that it's a pirate cruise in a lake, but still. The next thing we have to add to the list is Sakai. I think is how that's pronounced. Sakai, which is the downtown region of Nagoya. Uh, I just wanted to bring it up because of Sunshine Sakai. Japan and your fucking Ferris wheels, man. I appreciate Japan so much. I need to know what the deal with the Ferris wheels is. You guys have too many. Um, I do like the fact that. So I had to look this up. AKB48 is an Akihabara based idol group with 48 members. They also have other branches in other places, like Sakai. It has Sakai for SKE48. And this is just making me think of like Western superhero teams. They're like, hey, we have the Avengers, then we have the West Coast Avengers, then we have the New Avengers, and it's like, you guys are all the same thing. Don't be that guy. But yeah, uh, it's just a little area downtown, part of Nagoya. It's not honestly that interesting. I do like the fact that their park is now an outdoor mall. I like outdoor malls. Uh, the other thing is this is AKB48, and it's a lot going on. Idol groups are odd to me. That one's a no for me. Next one is Iga Ueno, which is Ninja Castle. Uh, Around the area, they also ignore the team ads. Around the area, they also have. the Ninja Museum, and castles, and other museums, and a samurai school. I love it. Well, a school for samurai children at the very least. But yeah, it also is. I don't know. This just it looks different. I don't know if I'm a fan. I don't really like the conical top. You know. The last place I want to bring up is Sushi Ginzo, which, man, the food at this place just looks phenomenal. It could be the fact that I'm just used to seeing cheaper end sushi places in Australia, because I'll be honest, don't spend much on my food. But it looks so fucking good. Everything looks so fucking good today. Also, this place is on most of the lists that it's on are like best value for money, great cheap places, that kind of thing. And if this is relatively cheap, your boy's gonna be fucking demolishing it. I've got one other thing. Sorry, we're adding this to our food. Sushi Aginzo. Do not ask me what it means. The other thing that I wanted to put up is a part of my nerdiness and loving of anime in general, but also of mech anime, which for the most part is a recent thing, except for this one. Because fuck, that jacket slaps. Sorry, why did I even bother just dropping the picture? And here's the website. I need this jacket. Like, it is summer here at the moment. I need this jacket. But that's going to do it for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching me talk out of my ass. If you have, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up. And yeah, I've been Faye. You've been awesome, and I'll see you all tomorrow.